Best AI gadgets of 2025 you won't believe. AI is taking over in 2025 and these 5 gadgets prove it. From smart assistants that anticipate your needs to robots that clean and cook for you, the future is here. Let's dive into the most mind-blowing AI gadgets you need to check out this year. Gadget 1: the X1 Neural Earbuds. Imagine controlling your devices just by thinking. The X1 Neural Earbuds use AI to read your brainwaves, letting you play music, answer calls, or even write texts without touching your phone. It's like telepathy, but real. Gadget 2: the SmartChef AI Cooker. Hate cooking? The SmartChef AI Cooker scans your fridge, suggests recipes, and cooks meals automatically. With built-in AI, it adjusts temperatures and times for perfect results. No more overcooked pasta. Gadget 3: the RoboPet Companion. Meet the AI-powered RoboPet, your smart emotional support pet. It learns your mood, reacts to your voice, and even remembers your daily routines. Perfect for people who want a pet without the mess. Gadget 4: the AI Sleep Pod. Tired of restless nights? The AI Sleep Pod monitors your sleep patterns and adjusts temperature, light, and even sound to optimize deep sleep. Say goodbye to groggy mornings. Gadget 5: the AutoDrive Smart Glasses. These AI-powered smart glasses act as your personal assistant. They provide real-time navigation, translate languages instantly, and even suggest the fastest route based on live traffic data. It's like having Google Assistant in your vision. Which AI gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more tech updates, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.